Hello friends, I wanted to show you my miniature living room. I'm going to show you how I put it all together, and at the end I have a surprise I can't wait to open and show you what I got in the mail. I found these little works of art at an estate sale. I thought they were so perfect. They were already framed, and I thought those would be really fun to put on the living room wall. This is a couch that my husband made me. It was his first attempt. It is not perfect by any means, but he watched a YouTube video and then he made me this couch. So it's got those little legs on the bottom, and I put this on there, and I have a few little pillows that I like to add. So that is my little couch. Put that there. Then I found these two little tables. Can't even remember where I found them. I'm not sure. Little tables from somewhere. Cheap little wooden tables. And I put those as the end tables. Then I have these two gold lamps that were Christmas ornaments a few years back. And I thought they went nice with my gold frames, so I put the lamps on the end tables. Then I have a couple of little knickknacks, this little ceramic house that I add over there. And over here, I have this cute little framed unicorn that I put on this table. So that is it for the couch. And let's see, what do I have to put next? Next I have this clock. This is a grandfather clock that I found at the swap meet. It is 1/6 scale. And so I have the grandfather clock, and I think, did I put that over there? Maybe I put that here. I don't know if you can see that. I've got that over there. This piece of furniture I also found at the swap meet. Cute little piece of furniture. Got cabinets that open. Got drawers that open. Anyway, I thought it looked like a piece of living room furniture. Very well made. Tiny little piece. Let's see, what does it say? Up, it says made in China. It doesn't say anything else. So anyway, it's a nicely made little piece of furniture. So I'm going to put that over there. That's where we keep it. Then I also have this. I'm not sure if this is called a phonograph. This little cabinet. My husband would remember. I can't remember stuff. So anyway, I've got this. It's got the old-fashioned, I think it's a music box. Let me see here. Well, it was a music box, but I can't get it to play. But so I have that, and I put this over here. This is such a cute chair. It's got I love the little skirt on it, and there's some storage in there because this is for sewing, and it is a pin cushion. And so when I bought it at the swap meet, it had a bunch of pins stuck in here, and it had some sewing stuff down in there. So I think that is so cute that they make pin cushions that look like chairs. So I'm going to put that over here. And I found this a while back at Joann's Fabrics, and it is also a pin cushion. So be on the lookout for pin cushions and music boxes. So this is a pin cushion. I loved the colors, and so I thought that made a little nice little footstool. Actually, that's what it's supposed to represent or be like. So I put those two together. Both of those are pin cushions. I've got this nice little chest. I think I bought this at Hobby Lobby. Just a nice little chest that I thought it matched. matched that furniture over there. So I've got that to go right there. And this is a mouse pad. And it looks like a great little area rug. So the mouse pad goes right there. Here's a light from Daiso store. And that's so cute, a little reading light. So I'm going to put my little reading light right next to the comfy chair. A couple of things over here. Oops. This is the coffee table. I thought that looked like a coffee table. Of course, I found it at the swap meet, and so I've got that for the coffee table. So what do you keep on your coffee table? We have all kinds of little stuff on ours, so I thought I would add a few little things to make it look realistic. A plant, a couple of magazines, little Buffy the Vampire Slayer, an old magazine, and Marie Claire, both with Sarah Michelle Gellar on them. So I'm going to put the magazines on the table, and my tiny Mr. Rogers book. It was a gift from a friend. Little cup of coffee. Put my coffee on the table. Let's see. I can throw the car keys on there. Everybody needs to make sure they're hydrated, and so we'll put the little Evian water over there. Little iPad. This little lizard, this little gecko keeps showing up. I think it was something from the grandkids, but anyway, I think that's funny. So I put that there, and this tiny little Hershey's chocolate bar. I'll put that next to the coffee cup over there. And so that is the coffee table. Let's get a closer up look. Got a few little fun things to put on top of this. I have an Acme fan, a little Acme magnet that's a fan. We'll put that over there. Got this little doily. Put this cute little vase on that. I got this clock. Apparently I love clocks, right? So I found this clock and I really liked it, so we're going to put that on there. The grandkids had this from a school project. It was a bunch of busts of all the different presidential busts. So I have a few of those. I love to include those. So I'll put that there. And these are just some little flowery things that I have found. Little box, tiny little box, and some little knick-knacky things that I like to add, because a lot of people have knick-knacky things. So I'm going to add those. And over here, I found this cute little thing, and it says Home Sweet Home, a pitcher, and a bowl. I'm going to put that right there. This is my miniature 1/6 scale living room when it's all put together. And I found something I wanted, and it arrived in the mail, and so I want to show you what this is I got that I thought would fit perfect in my tiny living room. Okay, here's a hint that it came in the mail. Let me show you what I got. I've been wanting one of these ever since I saw mini Is it Mini Passion Project? She had one on her Instagram. It's a mini Roomba, and it is exactly like my full-size one downstairs. So. I certainly hope this is going to be simple, because I am not going to be able to read any directions. Oh, good, they have pictures. All right, how to play. Let's see. See if I can figure it out. How to play. I wonder if it already has the battery in it. So, iRobot. Let's see. Pretty detailed. The little wheels. It's supposed to look like a little spinner thing. It looks like, pull it back. Oh. Thank you so much for watching my video of my miniature living room. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And if you have a comment for me, please leave it below. I'll answer you.